In this video, I am going to show you the exact method to propagate a jade plant from just a single leaf with all the pro tips you need to ensure a 100% success rate. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get strong, healthy jade plant babies from leaves and avoid common mistakes. Let's dive in. Not all the leaves will propagate successfully. Let me show you how to pick the best ones. Select healthy, mature leaves from the lower part of the plant. Avoid damaged, wrinkled or yellowing leaves. And this is very important. Ensure you gently twist and remove the leaf with its base intact. This is crucial for successful rooting, so do it carefully. Many people fail at propagation because they skip this step. Once you have removed the leaves, let them sit in a dry, shaded spot for 1 to 2 days. Do not plant them immediately. The cut end must form a dry callus before touching the soil. This prevents rot and increases success rates dramatically. Jade plants hate wet feet, so we need well-draining soil. Use a succulent cactus mix or DIY one with 2 parts perlite or sand for drainage, 1 part potting soil for nutrients. Slightly moisten the soil before planting, but don't make it soggy. Now simply lay the callused leaves on top of the soil without burying them. Roots and baby plants will sprout from the cut end, so keep it facing the soil. Now let's create a perfect environment for these leaves to sprout. Keep the leaves in bright indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sun which can dry them out. The watering trick: mix the soil lightly every 2 to 3 days. Do not overwater. Too much water equal to rot. Too little water, the leaf dries out. If the weather is very dry, you may need to mist the leaves every day. So when will you start seeing results? Weeks 2 to 4, tiny roots start emerging from the leaf base. Weeks 4 to 8, a small jade plant pup starts forming. Weeks 8 to 12, once the new plant has a few leaves and strong roots, it's time to transplant it into its own pot. Once a new jade plant has grown strong roots and a few leaves, it's time to give it a new home. And very important, before you go, here are the top mistakes that could ruin your jade plant leaf propagation. Planting leaves too soon. Always let them callus first. Overwatering leads to root rot. Burying the leaf in soil. The cut end needs air to develop roots, not enough light. Low light slows growth or causes leaves to rot. And there you have it. Now you know how to propagate a jade plant from just one leaf. Have you ever tried this method? Share your experience in the comments.
If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.